Hello, my viewer them. Today I will teach you how to solve this puzzle that they call and say Rubik's Cube. I know say majority of we will know say it be impossible for solve them, but today I will teach you now know say it be very possible for solve them. So for solve this cube, we need for first of all form some cross. We'll take an example. So one start, if we choose any color for start there, but for today I'll choose white. So for start solve this cube, you need to solve some white cross, and you get to make sure say when you solve that cross, make the piece them for this corner they align with this side. Example, let it place so we get to look at piece so you get green, and then you get this white for put for this place. So now so we need to do now for find that piece. You will look at the piece this. So we need to do we turn the piece so make it match with the green, and then we turn them 360. Now if you look at your see and say we don't form green and white. Next color now we'll get orange and white. So find piece we get orange and white for put them for here. So look around now the piece this we'll turn them for orange, and then we'll turn them 360. Now we'll already solve green white and orange white. Next go be now this place blue and white. So inside the piece now this we'll just turn them. But now if you look at your see and say as you turn them, so the color they don't interchange. Some way they for mix back for turn back that color them. You move the piece away from the place, you send them for adjust the color, you turn them may match the blue, but make sure say you restore back this move. If not, you go upset these ones. Then you turn down this one 360. Now run soft blue, run soft orange, or run soft green. Now color will be left now red. And if you look now the red this, we just turn them, and you see and say you don't still they mixed up. So we turn them so go turn down, move the piece from the way, restore back this move. If not, you will mess up the whole cube. Now we don't form the cross. If you look at now, we don't form the white cross, and this cross, the color them for this corner, they match with each other. You understand? So where they so now, so we need to turn down the cube. Look next to okay for solve them. Now this angle them. So for solve this angle, we look piece where you get white, you get blue, and then you get orange for put for the corner. So if we look at we see it be fortunate say the piece they already there for here. So two only for do, we move the piece out of the road, then bring them for side one put, and then push them for down. Now if you look at you'll see and say this angle don't be soft. You understand? So next angle only for solve them, we look this angle piece where you get blue, get red and white. We'll locate them. If you look at now this, so two will do will bring them for side one, make it enter for the. You understand? Because this red, green, and white will want me enter for down here. No. Okay, yes. It's blue. Blue, I don't make mistake. So the one more just put our side, suppose they win white, green, and red. This one, white, green, and red. So we need to put this piece for down here. So what we do, we remove the piece out of the place, and then bring it for side for day, then push them back for down. If you look at you'll see and say it don't match. So next piece, now this one. We'll move this piece for go to side for put on there. So we'll bring them for here. You give for enter for place for white, red, and blue. So now it is white, red, and blue. You push this side for up, you bring it for down. If you look at it, say and say don't come down, but you never match. So two only will do, we'll push them back, bring it back for turn inside, then we'll send them again, bring it down, and then if you look at your say and say blue don't match, red don't match, green don't match. Now we'll be left with this angle. So this angle be made up of green, orange, and white. Green, orange, and white. So we need to put this piece down. We'll push it, bring it, and then we'll bring them down. Now if you look at your see and say that white part don't be soft, and then when you look at me again, you'll see and say this green match with these ones. Okay, as I be the talk, if you look at you see and say the white side don't be soft, because this places we call them layers. So if you look at we don't solve the first layer. Now two only for do now for solve the second layer when at the middle part them. So for solve the middle part, excuse me, you look some piece where you don't get yellow on top. Example, lady one, you don't get yellow there. You turn this color, make it match with the corresponding color. Let me say blue, me match with this blue. Now you need to put this piece for here, blue and red. So how to put them for here? Now say you move the piece out of the way, you make the move where I'll teach you the move after, and then you restore back the move. That white, that red piece will come. If you look at it and say don't come down for the same as the other one. This one, orange and blue, will go down for side orange there. Now it don't match with the orange. Since we the one put out for here, we'll move her out of the way. Then we'll make this set of moves. Then we'll restore back that move. Now if you look am, you see and say e don too be solved. So next one na, if you look at now, you'll see and say all the one then get yellow. So two we need to do, we need to move this piece for here, for send for different place, so that we'll put different piece for the place. At the end, I'll teach you how to remove all these pieces, they put them back for this, so that you'll know how to solve your first Rubik's Cube. So I'll just move the piece, restore them. Now different piece done there for that place. Now we'll still continue the normal way we'll be defining and piece so you know get yellow. This one we'll move on for the corresponding side. Since it enter for here, we'll move her out of the way, we'll make that same set of moves, and then we restore it back. Now if you look at green don't be soft, orange, blue, and this one. Now we'll be left with the one way. Now this one we need to put on for here. So we'll go them, make it match the color, we'll move her out of the way, make that set of moves, and then we'll restore back the move. Now if you look at your say and say we don't solve green side, we don't solve orange, we don't solve blue, we don't solve red, and this under too it don't be solved. So now two only for do now this top layer. This top layer, so now the most complicated place this was solved for Rubik's Cube. You see now some small dot there for the just one this center piece, even though these two they don't really matter. So two only for do, you hold the piece for any, you hold this cube for any direction where you like them. You make this set of move, you turn the front side for the right, you make that same set of moves, and then you restore back that move. I don't make teach you, I understand. So any move where you make with Rubik's Cube, you need for restore them. So now that we don't get some L now, so na positive sign this. So I aim now for this up place to now for form a cross. So for form a cross, after the L, you turn back this front for right, you make that same set of moves, and then you restore them back. Now we don't get a line, we'll still turn them, make that same set of moves, and then we'll restore them back. Now if you look at yourself, so we don't get a cross, forget about this one. So when you get that cross, next thing we'll do, I'm gonna say make this blue match with yellow, red match with yellow, green match with yellow, and then orange match too with yellow. But if you look at now, you'll see and say some mix up the one they don't, these two side and they're correct, but the two no they're correct. So turn now this cube, so then we'll make some set of moves again. Or teach you now after. You carry the right side, go up, you push the man for left, you bring back the side for down, you push it back for left, and then you send back the right side, and then restore back that move. Now if you look at yourself and say orange don't match with yellow, green don't match with yellow, red don't match with yellow, and then blue don't match with yellow after we don't form the cross. Now after that move, we still get another set of moves where it means we need to solve this corner of them. So for solve this corner of them, you need to make sure say each this color it correspond with the piece ready for here. Now the one they already for the right position. Now this one, the blue don't upset them because we'll get red, we'll get orange instead of green. Now blue they for it. That means we need to turn the piece, and then for here, if you look at your Sam, the move them to no complete same as for here. So the thing we need to do now, I say you hold the cube, so you turn the right side, this top side for the right, you carry the up go, you bring this side, carry up go, and then back down and down. Now if you look at it never still be soft, so we'll do that same move again. Now if you look at it, see all this side don't be soft, but no be what target that move will probably be being at these angles, semi all the day for the right position. So if you look at now, you'll see and say all this one, let me say red on there for the right place, yellow and blue it already same as this one. The two, if be fortunate, say they do already for the right place. So the next thing now we need to do, we need to turn down this cube upside down, and then we'll try now to solve this angle. So you turn now, look, it never be soft, you go, it don't be soft now, you turn now just this under, bring am for to solve that side, and just so you don't learn how to solve your first Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Stargate. See ya.